right, secure the tape right there. It's set. GPS confirms alignment. Planting the marker.
These look much healthier than the last batch, don't they?
Yes, the irrigation is working well here.
We should move this one slightly to the left for better spacing.
Agreed.
We need to ensure the roots have enough room to grow optimally.
Check the height on this one before you log it.
Okay, got it. Looks consistent with the last row we surveyed.
The size seems adequate according to the caliper.
Agreed, but the firmness near the stem suggests it needs another day.
All right, lift it up slowly.
Steady now.
Let's take it over there.
The reading is 45.2.
Confirmed. Moving to the next cluster.
Based on the samples, the quality is excellent across the board.
I agree.
We are clear for harvest starting Monday. All right, right there. Get ready.
Got it. Bring it down.
Careful with that one, it's heavy. Bring it over here, we have space on this stack.
Watch it, coming down.
Got the weight. Keep moving.
Heads up on the line.
Send the next bunch down now.
These are clean, put them through. Okay, next one coming up. Watch the forklift coming through. Okay, I've got this stack ready.
We need 3 more carts at Sector 4 immediately. And make sure this lot goes directly to the packing house. Bypass the main depot.
How many more crates do you think they have back there?
Reorganization. At least we have the shade now.
Bring it back 10 feet. Watch your clearance on the right. Copy that. Almost clear. All right, bring the next pallet in. Careful with those boxes.
And here are your copies. The shipment is cleared.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
This batch looks like a solid 4.
Confirmed. I'll update the manifest.
All right, bring the first pallet in slowly. Copy that. Watching the clearance. All right, lift on 3.
Got it. Where does it go? Right here. Hurry up. More coming. Make sure that shipment goes to aisle 7. We need these moved quickly for the morning deliveries.
The ETA has shifted slightly south of the canal. Yes, but the temperature remains stable at 13.5.
Almost done.
Good. This last bunch is heavy. Ah, much better.
I need to make sure these are absolutely perfect.
Well, you certainly came prepared for the job.
Look at these organic beauties, fresh from the farm this morning. You won't find better flavor anywhere else in the city, guaranteed.
The sales velocity dropped sharply here, despite the prominent
the
placement.
inventory turnover for this week is significantly lower than projected. We need to adjust the order.
Seasonal demand has dropped sharply this quarter. We simply don't have the cold storage capacity for this volume, and they're ripening too fast.
Meeting the global appetite for bananas requires a seamless journey from the ship through the distribution center and finally to your local store.
From a simple breakfast staple to savory fried snacks and hearty stews, the banana is enjoyed in countless ways across the globe.
From the plantation to the port, bananas embark on a global journey, finally arriving at markets and stores worldwide. Through careful logistics and dedicated work, these bananas travel from the farm to the market, ensuring food security for the community.
That one is secure. All right, let's move to the next row.
As global markets expanded, the demand for aesthetically perfect fruit
led to increasingly strict quality controls.
This plantation is committed to sustainable practices, enriching the soil with organic compost and protecting beneficial insects like this ladybug.
The discoloration on this leaf is significant.
We need to log the exact
Coordinates.
I have the data point recorded.
The freshest bananas in the market, madame.
They look wonderful. I'll take this bunch.
From bustling markets to your morning smoothie, the world is embracing the simple goodness of bananas.
From the plantation to the dinner table, the global banana trade is a complex machine driving billions in economic growth across the world.
These are the freshest ones we have today, very sweet.
They look perfect. I'll take this bunch right here.
Excellent choice, sir.
From the large purple blossom, the young fruit emerges. Over time, the hands grow heavy and
From the farm to your table, an endless flow of nourishment for everyone.